Hello, my name is Hamid Reza Amiri, and I'm excited to apply for the Masters in Smart System Engineering at Hanze University of Applied Science. For the past 1.5 years, I've been living in the Netherlands, where I completed my Master in Computer Vision and Data Science and started working as a software engineer. My journey in technology began years ago during my undergraduate studies in electrical engineering and later in industrial engineering, where I developed a strong foundation in automation, control system, and business analysis. And over time, I became increasingly interested in how AI works and how can it be integrated with sensor technology to enhance automation and decision-making process. So during my previous master, I worked on anomaly detection and computer vision and data-driven quality control methods, applying AI to industrial and security challenges. My professional experience at CGI Netherlands further expanded my expertise and allowed me to develop computer vision systems and integrate automation workflows for real-time industries applications. However, I found that while I was solving complex AI problems, I lacked deeper knowledge in designing smart systems that efficiently process sensor data at the point of the generation. This is what led to me to explore the Smart System Engineering program at Hanze. The master program stood out to me because it goes beyond data analytics. For example, it focuses on sensor integration, data fusion, and adaptive systems intelligence. So the real-world application in healthcare, renewable energy, and industrial automation also excite me very much, and that are very aligned to my career goals. So I wanted to work on designing smart sensors architectures that not only collect data but can also intelligently process and act on a real time, and optimizing process and improving efficiency. Beyond technical expertise, I love challenges, collaboration, and applying innovation to solve real-world problems. And I believe that technology shouldn't just generate data, but interpret it meaningfully and make the system truly intelligent. So Hanze's unique approach on applied research and industrial collaboration and interdisciplinary teamwork make it perfect place for me to grow both academically and also professionally. So I'm truly excited about the opportunity to be part of Hanze University of Applied Science Smart Systems Engineering program. And thank you for your time, and I look forward for contributing my skills and experience and passion to this dynamic academic opportunity. Thank you very much.